Most roofing contractors don't go broke because of big mistakes. They go broke because of small monthly costs that quietly add up. And here's the truth no one tells you. Software pricing only matters if it actually increases your revenue or saves you real time every single week. In this video, you'll learn how Leap software pricing works in 2026, what you actually get for it, and whether it is worth it for your roofing business. Let's get straight into it. Leap is designed for roofing and construction contractors to speed up estimating, improve sales presentations, and help close more jobs. It focuses mainly on the sales side of your business, not full operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. Leap is not priced like a simple app. It is usually a subscription-based software where pricing depends on your team size, features, and business volume. But here's the problem. Most contractors try to judge it like a cheap tool. They compare it to basic apps instead of comparing it to lost deals and slow estimates. Let's break it down simply. Leap's value comes from speed. If you can build estimates faster and close more deals in the field, it can directly increase revenue. That means the real question is not, is it cheap? The real question is, does it help me close more jobs? So if Alex runs a roofing business and spends hours creating estimates manually, Leap can reduce that time to minutes. That means he can meet more customers and close more sales in a week. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even a small improvement in close rate can completely offset the monthly cost. One extra roofing job a month can often cover the software cost multiple times over. But there is another side. If you are not actively using the sales tools, presentations, and estimating features, then you are paying for power you are not using. That is where many contractors waste money. Now let's talk about who actually gets value from it. Leap is most valuable for contractors who do in-home sales, handle multiple estimates per week, and rely on fast decision-making to close deals. It is less useful for very small businesses that only do a few jobs a month. So, here's a simple way to think about it. If your current problem is slow estimates, lost deals, or inconsistent pricing, Leap can be worth it. If your problem is low job volume or lack of leads, software alone will not fix that. Now here's the key insight most people miss. The cost of software should always be compared to the cost of inefficiency, not just the monthly subscription fee. If Leap helps you close even one extra job consistently, it often pays for itself very quickly. So to wrap it up, Leap pricing in 2026 is not about being cheap or expensive. It is about whether faster sales and better estimates increase your revenue enough to justify it. If used correctly, it becomes a revenue tool, not just an expense. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size, so I can help you decide if it fits your workflow, and subscribe for more simple software breakdowns that help you make smarter business decisions.